Hello, lovely beaders. Welcome back to my channel. Stay with me and let's bead together.
Pick up a stop bead. The stop bead can be any kind of bead. I use a size 11 seed bead in dark bronze color. Pick up 21 pieces of size 15 in each color. My first color is bronze, the second is purple, and the third is green. I always double count my beads. You need to put a simple knot on your thread with the beads. It looks like a bead pretzel. Go through the first strung 21 pieces of beads. Step out between the two colors. This way you'll have a circle with a bead pretzel inside. You can put away the size 15 seed beads. From now on, we work only with delica beads. String one piece of color A delica and one piece of color B delica and go through the first size 15 seed bead in color B. This is the first corner. Start peyoteing with color B delica until you reach the next color. From time to time, you will need to adjust the knot in order to have space to bead. Make the second corner by stringing one piece of color B delica and one piece of color C delica and go through the first size 15 seed bead in color C. Start peyoteing with color C delica until you reach the next color. Adjust the knot if it's necessary. you can take off the stopper bead. String one piece of color C delica and one piece of color A delica and go through the first size 15 seed bead in color A. Start peyoteing with color A delica until you reach the end of the first row. At the end of the row, don't forget to step up for the next row. Go through the last size 15 seed bead in color A and the color A delica that you strung first in this row. On the first corner of the triangle, string one piece of color A and one piece of color B delica. Start peyoteing with color B delica until you reach the next color. Make the second corner by stringing one piece of color B and one piece of color C delica. Start peyoteing with color C delica until you reach the next color. Thread your tail and weave in it and cut it. Make the third corner by stringing one piece of color C and one piece of color A delica. Start peyoteing with color A delica until you reach the end of the row. At the end of the row, don't forget to step up for the next row. In this row, use only delica in color A. On the corners, string only one piece of delica in color A to make the tip of the corner. Now that we have some time, I'll take the opportunity to ask you that if you enjoyed this video and find value in the content I share, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving this video a like. My channel and the knowledge I share are completely free, but to keep it going and continue providing valuable content, I need your support. Your engagement helps the channel grow and reach more people, so thank you for being a part of this journey. Weave in your thread and cut it. Use a not too thick jump ring. Open it up. Thread the jump ring through the delica from a tip. Put the earring hook in the jump ring and close the jump ring. You can adjust the knot to be even, and you are done.
Thank you for beading with me. See you next week.